What is your name?
My name is Tina.
Tina, how are you today?
I'm happy.
How old are you, my dear? Anne?
I'm 6 years old.
Okay, very good. So now look at this picture. They are at the beach and the boy is fishing. My first question for you is that, what is the boy doing?
Swim.
Very good, my dear. Can you run, Tina? Can you run? Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Really? You can run? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. All right. So now, at this point, how many fish are there?
2.
Very good. Are there 5 boys in the picture? Yes or no? Yes or no?
No.
No. All right. What animal is this?
Elephant.
Okay. What word starts with letter F?
Food.
Good job. What can the kangaroo do?
Jump.
Jump. What are they, Tina?
Insect.
Good job. How many insects are there?
3.
Very good, my dear. Do you have a sister, Tina? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. So Peter is at the shop and there are many fruits. At this point, can you show me where is the banana? Very good. How many apples do you see, Tina?
2.
Very good. What is the boys doing?
Inch.
What's the boys doing?
Inch.
Eat. Alright, so now, are there 4 cakes in the picture? Yes or no? Yes or no?
No.
No. Alright. Now at this point, how does the girl feel? How does the girl feel?
Happy.
She's happy. Are you happy today? Are you
Yes.
happy? Yes,
Yes.
also. What food do you like?
I like apple.
You like apple. Very good. How many oranges do you see?
1.
Alright, so that's all for tonight. Tina, goodbye and thank you.
Goodbye.